Hi guys, I had a problem with my PS5 when I started to add my voice to my streaming, and I noticed that I couldn't get the voice working. So I noticed a few things that I started my live broadcasting, and I was kind of thinking that I had all the settings with the mic was fine, it was working, and I was also added your mic from here, these settings, and add your mics, and still no voice. I was like, what's happening here? And I realized there's another setting you have to check. When you push the PS button and go here where you have the broadcast, go here on broadcast, and here you have to check this mic, that it's not muted here. I didn't know that, and I didn't hear any of my voice in my streams. So go here and unmute here, because I had this muted here and I couldn't add my voice to the chats, to the stream. So it took a little while for me to find this, that it was this setting here. So if you have problems getting your voice working on your streams on PS5, please check this setting, and I think this helps a lot. Yeah, okay, this was a shorter video for PS5 streaming, and yeah, I got a new mic, B20 from EPOS, and I'm just testing out the settings. Let me know what you think, and please like and subscribe if you like any of my videos, or they help you with any issues with your games or to your gaming, streaming, whatever. I'm going to do small tips that I found are annoying. But yeah, thanks. Please like, subscribe, and have a nice weekend. Bye.